What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's good? Hey guys, just wanted to shoot this video because life is good, life is great, everything is happening right now, guys. Commissions are flowing in, the My Econ team is growing. So if you're not involved, you want to get involved, I wanted to share with you guys as well. While I was sitting here doing some things for my team, another payment ended up coming in. This is from my educational platform, one of my educational programs that I definitely promote. I try to teach people like, hey, if you're going to be involved in network marketing, if you're going to be in online business, whatever that space may be, whatever you want to call it, you want to educate yourself. You want to get educated. You want to have things in place. So just like books, you can never read enough books. You can never have enough training material. You always want to be on the next step or moving up in your business, whatever it is that you're trying to do. You always want to stay educated. So I wanted to show you guys that I'm still getting paid here from other companies. This company is more of a high ticket program, but it's educational. So you can actually get paid on a $25 level, a $100 level, $250, $500, $1,000, I think $2,000. Pretty much those are the product levels that they do offer, and it's an educational platform that's pretty much going to teach you the ins and outs of marketing. So if you're interested in actually getting those type of commissions, I'm going to leave a link that's going to be right at the bottom, guys. And each commission level that I have named, there's a actual product level, so you get a vault full of training for each level. So at that $250 level, they're actually qualified at the $250, $100, and $25 level. So they're actually get all of those trainings. Okay, so they don't have to go out and go, oh, let me purchase this online or do that every 5 minutes. You know, once we get pretty deep in it, you're gonna get deep in it. Okay, so that's just, you know, that's just a person investing in their online education, man. So what's stopping you from doing the same thing? Nothing really. Okay, I have marketing systems in place. So if you're looking for something that does all the selling and telling, we have that. You get your own personal website. You get access to our private Facebook group. And here's another thing, guys. If you join me today, I will give you access to a free vacation here, okay? There's 9 destinations that you can choose from. I'm going to give you access to one of them. You just let me know. I'll give you the list, and you just let me know. So if you decide you want to take advantage of anything regarding this platform, definitely check it out, okay? There's also going to be a second stream of income as a marketing system. That marketing system, which does all the selling and telling for you, I'm going to give you access to that. Along with that, you're going to have a plethora of training in the back office of that. So my whole goal is to help you get to the next level and get those commissions on autopilot like I am, get those signups on autopilot like I am. Guys, this is just one payment. Tomorrow's the 4th. I just went out and bought my kids brand new shoes. Just spent like $250 on shoes, man. Just on Air Maxes and stuff like that. And I'm able to do this because I have money literally coming in. I spent it, and guess what? Got it right back. Okay? You can do the same thing, man. When I first jumped in this business, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. I didn't know how to. I was just Facebook. Hey, check out my business, Then I learned it. I learned how to actually allow my systems and my businesses to work for me, and that's what happened. So, yes, I'm putting it up to let you know, guys. This has nothing to do with my financial literacy program. That payment, I'm getting paid out on that. What? Friday, Thursday, pretty much. Then turn around and get paid with my marketing system program. Then I do have a roadside service business as well that pays out. Guys, you want to set yourself up to win. And that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to help you do that. So I'm going to leave my link at the bottom for you to get involved. I have other videos that you can check out. If you like any of those programs, just check them out. I want to help you. So I'm going to wrap this video on up, guys. I got my baby girl downstairs with my other kids, man. So I'm going to hurry up, get down there, make sure they ain't doing nothing. And I'm going to get back with you guys on another time here. So tomorrow's the 4th. Just want to shoot this, let you know I'm still winning. We still getting money even before the main payday of the main programs. Peace.